In 1960, brothers Tom and James Monahan bought a small pizza restaurant in Ypsilanti, Michigan. They called it Domino's. The brothers had big dreams for their little pizzeria. They envisioned a place where families and friends could gather to enjoy a meal together. They wanted to make delicious and affordable pizza for everyone. Their goal was to create a product that was not only tasty, but also accessible to people from all walks of life. The early days were not easy. The brothers faced numerous challenges, from financial difficulties to long, exhausting hours. Tom and James worked long hours to keep the business afloat. They were determined to make their dream a reality, no matter the obstacles. But their hard work and dedication started to pay off. People loved their pizzas and kept coming back for more. The little pizzeria began to grow, and the Monahan brothers' dream was slowly becoming a reality. In 1967, tragedy struck when James Monahan decided to leave the business. This was a pivotal moment for the company, as the two brothers had started the venture together with a shared vision. James's departure left Tom Monahan at a crossroads, facing the challenge of running the business alone. Tom Monahan was determined to continue their dream. He knew that the future of the business depended on his ability to adapt and persevere. With a renewed sense of purpose, Tom took on the responsibility of steering the company forward. He bought out his brother's share and became the sole owner of Domino's. This bold move allowed him to implement his own ideas and strategies without any hindrance. Tom's vision for the company began to take shape. Tom changed the name to Domino's Pizza Inc. in 1965. This rebranding was more than just a name change. It signified a new direction and a fresh start for the business. The new name quickly caught on with customers. Domino's introduced its iconic 30 minutes or less guarantee. This promise revolutionized the pizza delivery industry, setting a new standard for speed and reliability. Customers were thrilled with the assurance of getting their pizza quickly. This innovative promise set them apart from the competition. It wasn't just about delivering pizza, it was about delivering an experience that customers could count on. The guarantee became a cornerstone of Domino's brand identity. Customers loved the speed and convenience. The 30 minutes or less guarantee resonated with busy families and individuals who valued their time. It made Domino's a go-to choice for quick and delicious meals. Domino's quickly became a household name. The combination of fast delivery, quality pizza, and innovative marketing strategies helped the company grow rapidly. Domino's success story is a testament to Tom Monahan's vision and determination. With its winning formula, Domino's expanded rapidly across the United States. They opened new stores at an astonishing rate. Soon, Domino's became a familiar sight in cities and towns nationwide. Domino's then set its sights on the world. The company began opening stores internationally in the 1980s. Domino's adapted its menu and marketing to different cultures. This strategy proved to be a recipe for global success. What makes Domino's a global pizza powerhouse? It's a combination of several key factors that have propelled them to the top of the industry. First, they focus on convenience. Domino's has mastered the art of making it incredibly easy for customers to get their favorite pizzas. Whether it's through their user-friendly website, their intuitive mobile app, or even a simple phone call, Domino's ensures that ordering is a breeze. Their digital platforms are designed to be seamless and efficient, allowing customers to place orders with just a few clicks. In addition to their website and app, customers can also order through social media platforms like Facebook and Twitter, making the process even more accessible. Second, Domino's is constantly innovating. They are always looking for new ways to improve their products and services. From introducing new pizza flavors to developing cutting-edge technology, Domino's is at the forefront of the pizza industry. For example, they've introduced pizza delivery robots and self-driving cars, showcasing their commitment to innovation and efficiency. Today, Domino's is the world's largest pizza company by sales. Their global presence is a testament to their successful strategies. They have over 19,000 stores in more than 90 countries, each one serving as a hub of delicious pizza and excellent service. Domino's continues to grow and innovate. Their research and development team is always working on the next big thing. They are constantly exploring new markets and technologies, ensuring they stay ahead of the competition. One thing is certain, Domino's will continue to be a major player in the global pizza industry for many years to come. Their dedication to convenience, innovation, and global expansion sets them apart from the rest.